Find the integral of the following problem. We're going from, let's see here, -1 to 1. So we want to find the area under here. For this, one thing we need to be careful about when we integrate this is because we've got a negative here and a negative, not a negative, but it looks like when we integrate this from possibly -1 to 1, we might end up with a where they cancel each other out. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, but let's go ahead and figure this out. So 1 minus x raised to the fourth, integrate the whole thing. So we end up with, well, the integral of 1 is just x, and the integral of x to the fourth is just going to be x to the fourth plus 1 over 4 plus 1. So we end up with x minus x to the fifth over 5. And we're going from -1 to 1. If it, because this is symmetrical, depending on what we get, we can just multiply the integral from 0 to 1 times 2. But let's go ahead and test this. So going from -1 to 1, so 1 minus 1/5 minus 1 plus 1 over 5, because -1 to the fifth is -5, and then minus a -5 is +5, positive 1/5. Yeah, okay, it's a problem. Okay, so what we'll do here, I'm sorry, is in this instance, when you have a problem like this, what you can do is just take half of it. So we'll just, what it would be instead is you just multiply by 2 with as a constant with whatever you get as a remainder. So in this instance, we'll just do 2, because anytime you do negative and positive, like left or right of any of the axes, you can get a displacement that cancels out another portion. All right, so 2 times 1 minus 1/5. So we end up with 2 times 4 over 5, which is equal to 8 over 5, or 1.6. And that matches up with what I had from here. Okay. I hope this problem helped you out. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and you make sure you have a great day.